Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to present here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Presenting your work here in Adobe Express is easy and flexible. It allows you to showcase your designs or projects directly from the platform or prepare them for a professional presentation. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the home page wherein you can access the dashboard of the main menu. Because here, I need you to click on the presentation because this is the only template that has an access to the presentation button or present button. You see that? Present, right? Earlier, we don't have that feature for specific templates. So it's a template specific button. So hover back again to the present template. And from here, all I have to do is put all the presentation templates that you can choose. Remember that those with watermark crown icon means they are part of the premium plan. You cannot access and use this unless you are subscribed to their premium plan, because right now, as you can see, I am already on the free trial. So for example, I'm going to be choosing this one instead. All I'm going to do, if you want this, you can add it as pages or start new file. We're going to add as pages. All right. And as we go along, we can basically choose all the information here, and you can these are highly customizable. All right, you can rewrite all of these. For example, this is going to be G-Claps, our YouTube channel, and then put all the information here. For example, this is going to be now all I have to do to present this amazing slideshow that you have, all I'm going to do is click this present button. You see there's going to be a drop-down menu. You can present from first page, present from current page, or you have the presentation mode. You can start presenting with presenter notes if you want. You can click on the auto or click on, or you have the option to click place media on page after one click, or place media automatically on page. We'll do that and click on present. All right. So what will happen is you would have this option to present your amazing design that you have created here in Adobe Express. Obviously, after that, you can share your link with the audience or open it yourself on a projector or a screen. All right. And then from here, you can familiarize with the how slides or pages flow within your presentation. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.